Hi, welcome to Sandhya's Kitchen. In this video, let's see how to make egg masala in an instant pot. This recipe is ideal for weeknights or whenever you're short on time, as this can be made within 30 minutes. Let's take a look at the IP settings. Turn on saute mode and wait for a minute for the inner pot to heat up. Now add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add half teaspoon of urad dal. Half teaspoon of chana dal. Add 3 slit green chilli. Add half an onion. Now add half teaspoon of salt so that the onions cook faster. Keep sauteing till onion turns golden brown. Add half teaspoon of turmeric. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And saute this till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. Add around 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Mix it well. Now add 1½ chopped tomato. Now after a minute, add half a cup of water. Add a stand and add 4 eggs. The lid. Turn off saute mode, turn on manual and set to 6 minutes. And make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. Naturally pressure release for 8 minutes. Now I'm gonna do a quick release. Remove the eggs. Now turn on saute mode and let it saute for 2 minutes. Make minor slits in the eggs. Now add eggs into this sauteing base and let this saute for around 2 minutes. Around 1 tablespoon of coconut powder. Add around 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and give it a mix. Check salt. This is a good consistency. You can see the oil separate from the tomato base. This is when you add cilantro and turn off saute mode. And this is ready to be served.